Sazi. So for now, you can just say akahamba, but you don't take any action. I've been seeing people kuma videos beyithathela bona kanti akekho umuntu omdala omkhulu ukudlula umthetho. Umthetho ushiwo, imandate ekhishiwe. Thina mina ezukhethele ezingithi mina ababuyisela iphaza kubantu bakithi. Bona siyobuye sibabone ngo2026 but CMK abeza abantu bathathe imhlaba bawubuyisele ezandleni zabo. Ilokho engizokusho nje asizusazi isikhathi sethu sesiyaphela impela sazi usikolele kakhulu ubhuti omdala sizokunika nje iminute no30 seconds ngoba sisele no9 minutes ukuthi siligoqe uhlelo lwethu. Yebo bhuti usazi
ukuphinda ndawo. Ngiyabonga mkhulu kunjani nxa semani kunomsinjana omncane la kwi-background yami ngisemsebenzini ngicela ungibekezelela nje ngizoba muhle.
Ya baba ukuphinda ndawo uweliphi iqembu?
Hayi mina akubuza. Ngithabale Friday ngizinzela imlazi. Ngizinzela imla hayi lutho. Mina ngilo mkhonto lona owathi kungakasho ngisho imindate ukuthi uzokwenzani. Sase siphakathi.
Danke.
Imvume zokuba la abantu bakithi la eSouth Africa abanamabhizinisi emazweni omhlaba. So if uza ngendlela eright eSouth Africa nezo benefitisa abantu base South Africa nezwe lethu angicabanga ukuthi ayikho into wrong lapha. Bese kuthi labo sisilaba sebethandana nabantu bokufika irelationship ungayifoma noma kuphi. Inhliziyo nje idlala ayithanda khona. Yabona. So nje lento yamalokhu nje yama container ama spaza shops ay thina nje ake ngayi ukuthenga laba akusupport laba abakithi kungabe kusathenga ama container angabe kusathenga ama container akuthenga laba bakithi until government azosothi but umnotho lo wama spaza shop kufanele kubuyele kubani ngoba sikhala ngokuthi amathuba omsebenzi awekho nje but kune spaza shop engabe irun abantu bakithi izitoro zabo ziyawo wawazi kwabuthelezi isitolo kwabuthelezi isitolo kwabani abantu babengasoko noma babengekho imali babebonelelana uyabona. So nje lento amaspaza shop mina ngibona ukuthi ayibuyele kubona abantu base South Africa labo bokufika ngoba vele abanawo amaphepha abanamaphepha mhlambe izikhulu zabo lezi ezinemali kodwa bona nje hayi ngeke angiboni ngaba namaphepha. So the best way nje
siyabonga kakhulu mfowethu mkhonto wesizwe lomdala impela osuthanda ukurasta.
Hawu lo athi uyagwaza umkhono bese nisiza ngento eyodwa ke sekuvalelisa nje nisicela lo mfowethu ekuthiwa ubreakdown lo ukuthi azasize nje ngalibhadi lapha eMabhida nge15 ngoba kuyophela inhlamvu.
High discipline makomanda. High discipline makomanda ibambe sosha ibambe ndoda yamadoda ibambe 15 December Moses Mabhida kushubile impela kakhulu bafowethu kushubile kakhulu kanti ke ngolwesine lo lesiya kulo I myself ngiyasho manje ngithi mina zonke ake iphelele keep isithuthu sakho keep imoto yakho keep iskipa sakho keep noma yini sihlangane lapha yana eNandi Drive lapha ngase hospital senhliziyo sishaya imoto gate la skipper khona abantu siya activate sambeni ngobuningi siyacela ndaba sesiya ngokuyogoqa mfowethu 5 minutes ndaba hlalo dabeni mfowethu kuphi nendawo futhi uthini ngaloludaba ukweliphi iqembu
angibingelele ngiyazwakala kahle Hleni
uzwakala kahle kakhulu khetha lami ukuphi nendawo ukweliphi iqembu
ngila eGoli ngokwamakhaya ngisemsinga ngisenhlonga
yes baba
into engibengicela ukuyiphawula la bengicela ukuphawula nje
uthini iqala ngalento bahambe noma bahlali
no abahambe
right ukweliphi iqembu
ngise MK mfowethu ngihlalela MK kodwa uqala ukuvota kwami nje ngivote nje ku-MK uqala nje ukuvota since angikaze ngavota ngiqala nje ukuvota ku-MK into engiphatha kabi i-entrance kwamosha entrance ANC kuze kufakwe abantu bangaphandle entrance yamoshakala lapha ngabuka mina ngikhona ngabuka ngathi angikaze kuzohlala nje kanje ngingavoti kuze ngivote ngiqala ukuvota nje la MK uqala ngivote ngizofuna uqhubeka ne-MK into engiphatha kabi labantu bangaphandle bebe right abantu bangaphandle bekhona into eyinkinga ukumoshakala lokho ukuthi sebe nento erongo kufaka ukudla banezinto erongo ezibulala izingane zethu la eMzansi bakhona le South Africa ba right ukuba khona le South Africa but ngepermit not okunye ngepermit
uqedile ndoda amadoda ukhumbula ukuthi sifuna ukuthi lokho kusele nako sinike laba 11 ngikuzwile ndoda amadoda uthi abahambe kodwa mabehlala abahlale ngepermit kusho yona le ndoda lapha iMK ithi ngiyaqala ngisho ukuvota mina Nonhlanhla uyaphila siswami ukuphina endawo uthini futhi ngalolu daba futhi uweliphi iqembu wena Nonhlanhla okay Mr. Korakwere, how are you my brother, where are you and which organization okuyo?
Very good ngila eGoli ngizama ukunitshela ukuthi asiyindawo bafethu kodwa ke lento leyishoyo ukuthi thina sibulala ingane zenu ukuhamanga lawo.
Wait my brother, wait interesting. Where are you and which country are you coming from?
Ngila eGoli ngibuya ngale ngapheshe.
Okay, maybe we must say to protect that, because it will be like we are promoting xenophobia. Don't mention the country where you are coming from. Am I right?
Very good, yes.
Right, my brother. Tell me, you are saying you guys are not going anyway, and people, there are assumptions whereby people are saying you are killing their children or whatever.
Ungakhulumi ngesilungu asibulali abantu bathi bona abantu bokufika babulala ingane kuhamanga lawo. Okay, ma wena ungwala eMzansi ufuna ukuthatha umnotho, ufuna ukuthatha amabhizinisi amancane asemalokishini, ufuna ukudayisa, ufuna ukuvula isiphaza, yes kuyenze lokho. Kodwa lokho ukuthi wena usuke usuthatha umthetho ufake ezandleni zakho uthi abantu bokufika mabahambe, wena ungayena umuntu komthetho njengalokho esibone kusenziwa ngabantu bedudula, hayi akukho right.
Okay, I've got a question my brother. Do you have the papers for you to stay here in South Africa?
Yes, nginawo amaphepha.
Right, I just want to remind you.
Kodwa ke ngenda lapho emaphepheni awuthi ngicizelele ke lapho emaphepheni iHome Affairs iyofanele inikeze abantu amaphepha. Okay, umuntu ofuna ukuba namaphepha akufanelanga ahlukumezeke maye wafuna amaphepha. Okay, umuntu usuka kibo ezofuna umsebenzi, ezofuna ukusebenza, afike yena kuthiwa okay alright amaphepha akhe mhlawumbe alungile kodwa agcine ngoba sinawo amaphoyisa futhi akhohlalikele emgwaqweni lana.
Wait, my brother. I wanted to ask you a question. Just take a breath. Ngifuna relax uyajaha. Ngizwaza nawe kamnandi ungacasuki.
No, ngoba uthe uzovala phela. Ngifuna ukuthi
No, don't worry. I will give you extra 5 minutes. I'll close at 3:05. Listen, my brother. Do you even have a shop?
Anginayo ishop mina.
So, you talking on whose behalf?
Okay, mina njengomuntu wokufika ngibuya ngaphandle uzwe kahle ngithe mina makuyikuthi ngifuna ukuthatha iziphaza asithatheni, you understand, akube umuntu wala eMzansi operator lezo ziphaza kodwa mina ngingokufika angathi ukuthiwa okay sesixoxa abangaphandle ngoba babulala abantu bakithi kodwa kusimaze sokushaywa thina and kushaywa thina esibuya kuleli lizwe leli liseduze leli yithi kuphela esishaywayo kodwa ke kuthiwa sithatha iziphaza asinazo neziphaza zakhona thina but kushaywa thina. Why kungathiwa maso kuthiwa okay nifuna umnotho ilizwe lenu nifuna umnotho, okay thathanini umnotho, mhlawumbe makuyukuthi mina ngiyasebenza ngikusebenzele wena unesiphaza mina ngisebenzele wena umnotho ukuwe wena ungwala eMzansi. Hayi ukuthi kuthiwa sesithatha umnotho kodwa simaze kushawa thina. Why kushawa thina nje? Thina sikhuluma ulimi olufanayo, sihamba ngokufana, sikhuluma siyafana kodwa kushawa thina. Why kushawa umuntu ohlukumezekile
Okay, right.
Washaywa nje.
I'll just mention the countries which are our neighbors. I will talk about Zambia, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Swaziland, and I will talk about Angola is too far. I haven't heard anyone mentioning umuntu wase Botswana, wase Zimbabwe, wase Zambia, wase Swaziland. But why are you so concerned? Because you said kushaya thina bala eduze. I understand and I respect le yokuthi utawufuna ukuthi uzisho ukuthi waku, but you said sibuya la eduze thina. So I will take it as if it's either ubuya Botswana or ubuya Zambia or ubuya Mozambique or Swaziland, and keep it to yourself. Don't disclose ukuthi ubuya kuphi.
No, you already disclosed and then anginankinga nokuku disclose lokho and
No, don't disclose. Don't, please. Ngicela Butilalela, for the safety of abantu, not you, don't disclose. I've mentioned Botswana, I've mentioned Zambia, Zimbabwe, Swaziland, Mozambique, all these countries. So, why are you so concerned? Because kusadilwa nama Pakistan, Somalians, and yeah. Why are you so concerned?
Okay, inkinga kulapho ukuthi kungaso kuthiwa abantu mabahambe kushaywa thina most of the time, and ihleli yenzakala lento le kuthiwa babulala abantu ingane zethu kodwa mase kuthiwa kuyashaywa kushaywa thina sike ngike ngabona ke kungena amaphoyisa lapho bebuza abantu incwadi, and uzothola ukuthi abantu bakhona amazwe lawo waqambile yibo ababuzwa incwadi. Not lawa amazwe waqambile lakho abo Pakistan nabo bani kubuzwa thina incwadi. Alright, asibe nezincwadi kodwa umsebenzi weHome Affairs lo angithi. But why mase kushaywa thina? Like I understand mean.
I understand, but I've got a question. Uthini ngalama foreigners abanjiwe enza izinto ezirongo na ubabona ukuthi naba benza into ezirongo? What are you saying about them?
Wonke umuntu ogangayo, if someone commits a crime, they must be dealt with decisively. You understand? Umthetho awubabambe labo bantu. Awubafake la ufanele bafakwe khona. Akuyenzwe ngabantu the authority, not ukuthi kuzothiwa ngoba umuntu akangithandi ngoba ngibuya ngaphandle sokuzothiwa ngiyisigebenga ngivele kube nemob ebuyayo izocula ithi hey hamba kini. No, akube abomthetho bambambe umuntu afakwe la endaweni okufanele abe khona.
So in other ways wena uthi awuyindawo.
Why kumele ngitshelwe umuntu ofana nami ukuthi ngihambe kithi ke mina ngibhekile ngibona njengomfowethu ungitshela ukuthi ngihambe kithi? Why kumele kube njalo?
Kanti uxoshwe yini wena kini?
Yeah, umbuzo omuhle lo kodwa unzima ukuphendula. Wena ma ubona ukuthi la engisuka khona ku right ukuthi uyohlala khona, ungahamba wena uyohlala khona ngoba sinje singama Africa.
Okay, in other ways you are saying
imanqede ngoba wena ngeke uthi okay ukukithi right, kodwa sengikhetha ukuthi uzohlala la kwamakhelwane, wena uthi mina kumele ngibuyele le ngiyohlala le. Wena why wena ungahambi uyohlala le ngoba kufanele ukuthi vele kube ne free movement la eAfrica. You understand? And why kumele kuma kuthiwa asibambaneni sokumele kushaywe mina nje kuphela?
Alright, in other ways, when istory zakho njengamanje sithi thina manje kumele sisuke la siyezweni lakho siyohlala khona wena uhlale la ngoba phela wena ubalekile ngale. Siyakubuza ukuthi sitshele mfowethu, angithi uthe umfowethu, si umfowethu, sitshele uxoshwe yini kwakho wena le kwenza ukuthi awusafuni ukubuyela kwakho, yini le xosha ukuze sikwazi ukudila nayo. Wena wesusitshela ukuthi wena buyela hambani nina le emzini wami, mina ngifuna ukuhlala kulo muzwe. Is that what you are trying to tell me?
Okay. Ufuna ukuyilungisa lento engixoxe ngale ungibuza ngesihle sokuthi ufuna ukuyilungisa ungibuzela ukuthi vele wena ufuna ngihambe. Phela nje. Into efunayo phela ukuthi ngihambe. Mangukuthi
ngifuna ukuyilungisa.
Pheze ngifuna ukuthi ngi-understand.
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukuthi ngi-understand ukuthi uyangibuza ukuthi ungibuzela ukuthi ufuna ukwazi o ufuna ukuthi ngihambe.
Hayi ndoda, indaba ungafuna ukubuyela ezweni lakho wena.
Umphendulanga nami umbuzo wami.
Right, ngikubuzela
ubuza ngesihle.
Lalela. Asphinde umuntu ojoyinayo la guys. Bear in mind ukuthi I'm the host and I don't take sides and mina ngibuza ama questions. So nawe but don't take it too personal. Ngicabanga ukuthi kade uqala ukubona ulive wami. Ungabe sewuthi awukhehlele eziyazona. I don't hate foreigners. Angifuni ukuthi ngama holiday ka December ngithi ngizayihambela ngivakashile emazweni bese ngithi nangu no. I'm one person who don't hate ama foreigners. Right. Ithi into yami. Mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ndoda story zakho uzosimela. Ngiyakubona uyinsizwa futhi. Uyama entweni yakho movie futhi bafiwa abantu abafana nawo abanye ngabe babalekile. Uzoyiseve nangokuthi uMr Kwerekwere. Right. Lalela ke Mr Kwerekwere. Ubani isibongo baba? Ufuna ngikubize ngoMr Kwerekwere?
Ya ungibize ngoMr Kwerekwere ngisefu lapho ngoba ngingafaka isibongo kukhona abanye abazongikhanyisa lana ngifuna ukukhanyisa.
Hayi. Okay lalela Mr Kwerekwere. Ithi into yami ngifuna ukuthi le ndaba ilungiswe kini bese uyabuyiselwa. Uhambe phela uyekeni. Usho ukuthi wena ezweni obuya kulona akunabantu kusele ku-empty.
Hayi bakhona abantu and lento le engibalekise kithi makuwukuthi wena ufuna ukuyilungisa mawubuza ngesihle bese ukuthi wena ufuna ukuyilungisa nawe uyayibonela nje uyabona nje uyazi ukuthi mawumakhelwane okwazi uyakubona ukuthi la kulo muzi kuyalanjwa abantwana bayabuya la komakhelwane uyayibona into ebhedayo komakhelwane
uma ukuthi niyalamba kini yini lena
no ungakusho wena ukuthi ngoba mawusuthi niyalamba kini uyangithuka mina mangiyikhulumela ngithi wena njengomakhelwana fanele ukuthi ubone ukuthi lapha komakhelwana ngathi kunenkinga lapha but wena mawuzothi niyalamba kini sokuyinhlamba uyangithuka silanjiswa yini sokufanele ukuthi ngitshele ukuthi silanjiswa yini.
Ngiyaxolisa khehla lami ngiyazi indlala ibangulaka ngiyaxolisa mkhulu omuhle ngiyaxolisa baba ngiyaxolisa indlala ibangulaka khehla ungaphumi wemnikazi wenkani uyaphila.
Ngiyaphila mkhulu njani?
Ya ndoda amadoda nangu uMr Kwerekwere uyakhuluma la uthini?
Ngiyayizwa inkulumo yakhe mkhulu kodwa ke angivumelani nayo kwenye indawo kodwa ke phela ke kuyakuzanywa kubuse kushiya kuyazanya indlela yokwakhe kuye phambili.
Uthini umnikazi wenkani nayi le ndoda imili ithi angihlehli. Asimfuna umuntu othuka nayo. Sifuna umuntu ozommelana nale ndoda athi mina hayi ngeke kodwa ungathukani. Uthini kahle uyigwala wathi wena angimsabi kodwa khuluma into uthi umnikazi wenkani asindawo simile kophela inhlamvu. Uthini wena lapha?
Akungaliwa mkhulu asikhulume kahle akungaliwa abangafuni bese bakhona udlama akwakhiwe iqhinga lokuya phambili kodwa hayi bese beba nokuba nempiko la akwakhiwe abantu phambili.
Hayi uthe uMr Kwerekwere akuhlalwe phansi kuxoxwe akungaliwa uthe ukhathele naye ukushaya kunini eshayo seyibhola yonke into uyashaya kanti ushayelwani? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Hey, where Mr Kwerekwere bayakwesaba abantu. Bayakwesaba ngiyakutshela mina uyinsizwa nje.
Okay, all right mfowethu ngiyakwazi ukuthi uzofuna ukuvala. So ngizofuna ukukhuluma into ezimbili.
Khuluma baba.
Maybe ezintathu. Right. Manje abantu babulala ingane, abantu bahlukumeza ingane, abantu banithathela imisebenzi. Kuya understandeka. Kodwa makushaywa kulihlazo ukuthi ushaye umakhelwane. Umakhelwane akashayo. Eyinye into ngoba thina siyaziwa ngokuthi siyasebenza. Yes, kukhona abanye abagangayo ababanjwe badilwe nabo ngoba abantu abagangayo abakhethe ukuthi bagangela kubani. Nakimi nginje ngilikwerekwere bangibamba nami, you understand, ngilikwerekwere, so nami bayinkinga nakini. So abomthetho mababambe labo bantu kube sokusiba
ake siqale sizwe uBorders. Borders, how are you? Borders, how are you? Borders, how are you? I'm okay, my brother. Where are you? And you are allowed to hide yourself. Where are you? Which country are you coming from? I'm okay, my brother. And there is the topic. They are saying foreigners need to leave the country. Are you saying you need to leave, or you are not leaving?
Mina ngila Jozi ngise Claremont ngokuhlala. Ilizwe ngeke ngize niqambe lapho engibuya khona, kodwa ngimanje ke nge-ANC. Abantu bokufika yebo bengahamba, kodwa kulabo abanokuganga ngaphakathi, hayi umuntu olungile sokuthiwa asuswa phuma uhambe, kodwa kunabantu abanokuganga. Singabantu nje
Ima Borders, wait. Are you a South African or you are a foreigner?
No, I'm a foreigner.
You are a foreigner, okay. So you are saying,
Yes.
so you must involve yourself. Don't say, I involve yourself. Is included now. Uthi wena ngona nivulela amagate nihambe noma uthani indawo?
No, ukuhamba singahamba, kodwa kumele kuhamba abantu abanokuganga ngaphakathi, hayi nje wonke umuntu. Nomuntu ongenaphepha engahamba, hayi ukuthi umuntu onephepha. Kumele kuhlukanise umuntu olihlongandlebe nomuntu ongasohlongandlebe.
Ibambe lapho.
Kunabantu abafike la ngokuthi bazosebenza.
Wait. Bambe Borders, wait. Ncube Lux, how are you, my brother?
Ngishapu njani?
Uplana ukuza ngapha nawe?
Ngifuna ukuza.
Into engizoyisho ngoNcube, yes kuyahlushekwa, kodwa bakhona abanye abantu abaphila kahle vele emhlabeni. Even nasemzansi kunjiyana bakhona abahluphekayo, bakhona abaphila kahle. Siyambona uDr K udla kamnandi, kodwa ke elizweni that's why wehleli bakhona abanye abasemzansi siyababona emazweni bayahamba nabo, you understand. So akusoze kuhlale kulingene. Bakhona futhi abasemelika ngale abazibona ngathi bona sokumele basuke ngale ngoba bona bazibona ngoba ngabantu bamnyama kumele babuye bheke eAfrica, and baza emzansi manithi niyababheka and bayaza ngobuningi. Manithi niyababheka babaleka la lwana ngathi mhlawumbe bayesaba ukuthi kuzoba nzima ngale, so bayeza.
Ncube.
Yebo.
Hayi ningezi ngapha yima ndoda. Sisabhekane nenkinga lana. Awume Ncube. Ngiyacela mfowethu yima.
Ayizi kuletha inkinga. Ngibuya ngesimo.
Yima Ncube, musana ukuza yima, sala nenkinga la yima.
Alright, Dr. Kehleleza, angizi kuwe. Angisazi.
Ungezi yima Ncube, salungisa inkinga yimo.
Kulungile.
Okay, mayibuyi Africa sawubona.
Siyabona.
How are you?
I'm okay. I can understand Zulu, but I can't speak it. So
all right, where are you, my sister, and which country are you coming from?
I'm South African, Botswana, but I'm currently in the UK.
You are in the UK, all right. Orenge korona ke re begane no butata la.
You know what?
South Africa. Ya no oreng wena.
Now I'm just saying they are a nation of cowards.
Huh?
They are a nation of cowards. How I see them.
Mr. Kwerekwere uyezwa Mr. Kwerekwere.
Yeah, I umbono wakhe uthi we are a nation of cowards. Yena coward le la akhona le uyikwerekwere la akhona.
No, I'm a Kwerekwere, but the thing is that it's part of life, isn't it?
Are you not a
The
kwere
whole of
kwere?
South
Now, Kona,
Africa.
where
No, here
are
in
you
the
not a
UK,
kwere
they
kwere
call
in the UK?
Yeah, let me answer you, Mr. Kwere Kwere. They called me to come here and work for them. In South Africa, South Africans are
But
asking
you're
you
a
to
foreigner.
leave. They did not call you. It's a difference.
They
And
did
the
not
whole
call
of
me.
South
How do you
Africa-
know that? How
And
do
the
you know
whole
that?
of South Africa is not coming to the
How
UK.
do you know that?
Mr. Kwere
you know?
Kwere, Muteli, Piskat song.
You
Hey,
understand, Mr. Kwere Kwere? Now you have to face life as a man. What generation are you raising? What are your sons?
As a man, what do you mean as a
example are you
man?
giving
What-
to your
what-
sons that
what-
they should also be cowards and run away from a man? One man, your president. South African men and South African women,
So
they
are
the
you
real
saying
fear
okay?
of
Okay, just
Africa.
hold on, my boy. Just hold on. Are you saying I ran away from one man?
You ran away from the idea of one man who is the ruler of Zimbabwe, and you are afraid of what judgment he will give if you guys
So what-
protest.
It's not like that.
You
So
understand?
what you
no,
want?
no.
What would you suggest? What do you want me to do to that one man?
I would advise Zimbabweans to
What is your
take the
advice?
guidance of South Africa or be inspired by South Africans. We believe that the people shall govern. You people shall come together and make your country so ungovernable. How can you fear a group of elites when you are a multitude? Meanwhile, you are everywhere in the world, even in the UK, there is a lot of you. And when you come here in
There
the
is
UK,
a lot of you as well.
when you
But
when
okay,
you
let
come
me-
here in the UK, you ask them where you come from. They say we are South Africans. They don't even want to claim themselves as
We are
Zimbabweans.
Southern African. Do you,
You say- no, you say you are
geographically,
South
do you understand
Africans.
that we are Southern Africans?
I am chairing
You
this
are
meeting. Wait, point of
Zimbabwe.
order. Point of order. Wait, my boy. Wait, Mr. Kwere Kwere. My boy, I've got a question. You are now specifying Uguti Ntate Utswagai. Tell us, because we don't know where he's coming from. You, my boy, tell us, because it seems as if you've got better knowledge that we don't know. Where is he coming from?
How, Mr. Kwere Kwere? Mr. Kwere Kwere, he's from Zimbabwe.
Is he from? Oh, Mr. Kwere Kwere, are you from Zimbabwe?
Okay, yeah. Let's just say yes. I'm from Zimbabwe. Okay, because at the end of the day, as an African, as a Southern African, you can accents. We all speak the same language. So now, you stated that Zimbabweans in the UK, they say they are from South Africa. Do you
Not
understand
Southern.
that?
Not Southern.
Not Southern.
Yes. And they will never say they are from Zimbabwe. Even some of them will go to the.
Do you understand? Okay. Do you? All right. Do you understand that as an African, as a Southern African, sometimes you have to, if you are being asked by somebody who is geographically illiterate, you have to, if, for example, to say I'm from Malawi, someone doesn't even know where Malawi is. So you have to say in the Southern Africa. So sometimes to avoid being asked so many questions, you just say South Africa.
No, Mr. Kwere
it doesn't,
Kwere,
okay,
it's
wait, let me finish. For you as a South African, it's an offense to hear somebody saying I'm from South Africa, because you believe that being a South African means it's like you have put yourself in a position whereby you feel like you are like Europeans. When you say South Africa,
you are projecting,
to
Mr.
you,
Kwere Kwere.
South Africa is not in Africa. You believe that South, but at the end of the day, I can tell you, my sister, if you are in Europe, once you mention that you're from Africa, you are the same.
You are not. Sorry,
even
they know
most of the-
exactly who you are. They know exactly who you are, how each African country behaves. In the UK, they appreciate South Africans more because they
Okay.
know that South Africans have a history of being able to coexist with white people. They have a
Okay, let
history
me
of
tell
being
you how
able
we
to follow
behave
the
as
law and
Africans.
the rules
Okay.
and the regulations. They
My
have a
boy,
history
that's
of
not only
even
there.
coming to the
Hold on.
country legally.
Okay, can you
Now
hold
you
on?
have Africans like West Africa. They even
My
look
boy,
the
one
same.
sentence
They
at a
think
time,
the
please.
same. They behave the same.
My boy, one sentence at a time. Okay, the way we behave as Africans, we behave the same, all the same. And this is what, okay, you were talking. I let you finish.
Okay.
This is how we behave as Africans. I can tell you, we there is something called okay, in a community, if you want people to behave in a certain way, you do something. They make us, okay, there are superior people who can make you behave a certain way. There is no way you're going to tell me that South Africans behave this way, Zimbabweans behave this way, and Nigerians behave this way. But if you take doctors from South Africa, doctors from Zimbabwe, doctors from Nigeria, all these doctors will behave the same. But if you take, like, there is a certain way in which people can be made to behave. I don't know, maybe
Okay,
you understand.
Mr. Korekore.
There is no way you're going to
Mr.
tell me
Korekore.
that you, as a South African, you are superior than someone from
Okay,
Nigeria
Mr.
or from
Korekore, wait.
Mozambique.
My boy and Mr. Korekore, point of order, wait. Let's welcome others who are coming in. We've got the Nyonis. The Nyonis, how are you?
I'm okay, my brother. How are you?
Good, good. Where are you, my brother, and which country are you coming from? If you are a South African.
No,
Yeah?
I'm not a South African. I'm not a South African,
Yeah.
and I'm not in Africa.
Okay, now we've got a serious topic which is very sensitive here, my brother. The topic is about the foreigners who are running businesses in South Africa, and the thing is, should they leave the country or stay? What is your point of view?
Okay. Right. I won't say much, but what I wanted to say to you is what I have experienced, like since I came this side. In Africa,
which country are you
when I'm
coming
in
from, my
South
brother?
Africa, I'm from Zimbabwe.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. As a Zimbabwean, when I'm in South Africa, you call me a kwere. I have to go back to my country. Right. I am your neighbor. You are my neighbor. So now where I am, if I can tell you that their first preferences is their neighbors before they look at me. And whenever I'm saying before they look at me, before they look anybody who is a black person who's coming from Africa, he is their second choice. Like I'm in Poland, there is Belarus, there is Russia, there is Ukraine. All those neighboring countries, when they come to Poland, they are their neighbors. They treat them far much better than us from Africa, of which they respect their neighbors. They live with their neighbors. But when it comes to us as African, your neighbor, someone whom we are supposed to feed whenever he is hungry, you kill, you chase.
But wait, my brother.
Yeah.
But now you are crowding us. Now it's too much now. And now there was this guy, Mr. Ngube. He is also planning to leave his country to come this side. It is too much now, guys. We need to limit. Yeah.
And the thing is that
The problem is, what I was trying to say is, and I want to say something about Maibuye there, when she was saying in UK, people will say they are coming from South. There's nothing like that. If someone used his passport or her passport illegally, was hired when he was in Zimbabwe, and he went to the UK to work, what's the point of me saying, no, me, I'm a South African?
because you are ashamed of your own country. When you sit down with them and ask them where you are from, they don't need to show you their passport. And why I say you are ashamed of your country,
You are
But
wrong.
you're ashamed of
You
your
are wrong.
country, and you know what? Zimbabwe,
You are wrong.
you are the weakest link of South Africa.
All right,
You are the
guys, let's give Tutuzile a chance.
Listen,
Tutuzile,
my boy.
wait. Let's give Tutuzile a chance. Then Yonis.
Lima
Yeah.
Baba, the panel is for us, man. 5 points that I have valid. I'm not in any party, Babi Katleleza. I'm a South African youth born and raised in South Africa. My roots are here. Foreigners, they are affecting us. Point number one, not all of them, they are bad. We are not saying all of you guys are bad. Kodwa awukwazi ungakhethi izambane phakathi kwesaka. All of them have to go back. Two, if they have documents, let them go back and let's check how are they contributing to our country.
Yes.
Our kids are suffering. They don't have space in university because they are occupying spaces. 3, these people have come here and they took advantage for us. 4
Yes.
is that
What
we don't say they
advantage?
did not help us during apartheid era. They did help us, and we don't hate you guys. We just act your doings. Your doings are bad. Your doings corrupt us. Your doings destroy our country. Finish and clear. You will go. Not today, not tomorrow, but eventually you will leave.
Hey, Tutuzile. Oh, Jibambe la.
Okay. Tutuzile. Let me ask Tutuzile one question.
Wait, you will ask Mr. Kwerekere. Wait, I will give you a chance. Eddie Pakula, how are you?
I'm fine, and you said.
Right, where are you, my brother?
Ngila eThekwini kwamanje kodwa ngibuye eLimpopo.
Oh, you are South African, right? Now topic, can you use maybe 50-60% English because some of the people, they don't understand the language.
Labantu into engizoyikhuluma ngizocela mina. Labantu sayazi bangenile le South Africa, most of them abangenile bafika la bathenga amaphepha, abanye bakhona bathi banamaphepha, lamaphepha yamgunyathi.
Wait, Pakula.
Babuye ngeline kahle.
Wait, Pakula. Who is selling those papers? Because maybe we need to know the store. It seems as if you've got the information.
Home Affairs, every time babamba abantu kwa Home Affairs babadayisela amaphepha, labantu most of them banamaphepha, amaphepha
Those people who are selling the documents, are they South Africans or also foreigners?
Also foreigners and the South Africans.
Yeah?
So abahambe thereafter bangene kahle balandele imithetho ba register ngobusha bonke unephepha awunaphepha, let them go.
Okay, it's
After
December.
kahle ba apply ngendlela right ngoba since kungena ANC nge 1994 abantu bangene le South Africa ngoko emthethweni.
All right. Okay, Eddie, wait. Silo Samatekisi. Okay, Silo Samatekisi, how are you? EFF, I can see. Silo Samatekisi, how are you?
Hey, Dokotela, uyaphila mfowethu?
Good, my brother, how are you?
I'm okay.